dear friends. My name is Kshitij Shrivastava, and in this video I am going to tell you a few unethical rules that you need to survive in Mumbai film industry. One of the few things that I have learned while working in Mumbai film industry was to work smart, not hard. A lot of people I have seen here have been working for like 10, 15, 25 years and they are working at subordinate posts. I don't want to do that. I hope you don't want to do that. Today, the world has changed. The information is getting flooded and you can learn anything anytime you want. So, the chances of you getting successful are increasing day by day. Ritesh Agarwal made his company when he was 22 years old. His company was Oyo Room. And a lot of entrepreneurs are getting successful at a very young age. So why not you? Are you gaining knowledge every day but the knowledge has no wisdom and you don't find the application of that knowledge in your everyday use? Well, here's something that you need to know if you want to survive in Mumbai film industry. First thing first, be smart. You don't get anywhere by working hard for 12 hours a day. When you go on set, you have to see and meet everyone you know. When you go on an audition, you have to meet everyone and everything. Mobile phone is your weapon. It's not a tool to call someone. It's not a tool to get entertained. It's a tool and you must use it as a weapon. Facebook is not for your social networking. If you use Facebook for social networking, then you are making a big mistake. You have to use Facebook to increase your contacts. Most of the work that I've got in my life has been through Facebook only. I use Facebook a lot. I connect with a lot of people. I don't use it for chatting with my own friends because I can do that on call or on message. So I use Facebook to connect with people whom I cannot connect otherwise. They would know about me. Facebook is also my resume in which I keep posting things that I do every day so that people see that I am active and people also see what I am doing each and every day. When you go out to meet someone in the office, I know you have this experience that the security guard stops you before you enter into the office. And the action that you take is that when the security guard stops you, you turn back and leave the place. Never do that. Talk to the security guard. Security guards are very helpful people. I have been helped by a lot of security guards. If you talk to them, they will always help you and tell you a method in which you can enter that production house. They will either give you some link or some phone number or the name of some person whom you can contact later. So go ahead and meet them. Think about the security guard. Security guard has been dealing with people like you his whole day. He is getting rebuked by other people, not being talked nicely by many people. So if you are the one who talks nicely to him, there are chances that he will help you. Never leave the office before taking something with you, either the phone number or some information or anything, or have the friendship with the security guard. It will come handy in the long run when you will visit the office again. Most of the strugglers that I've met I have been telling me that they have visited all the production houses but still they don't find the work. But when you ask them to start counting the production houses that they have visited, it would turn out that they have visited only 3-4 offices and they have assumed that there is no work in the Mumbai film industry. If they would have gone to 5-6 more production houses, they would have found the work. The idea is persistence. You have to keep persistently go to the office. In one visit, you won't get any job there. In one visit, they will only identify your face. The idea is when you go to a production house or you meet a casting director or you meet a production manager, they should remember you. They are meeting a lot of people every day. So what should you do that they start remembering you? Make some jokes, bring a smile to their faces. These are the ways in which they remember you. So they recall you whenever they are in need of someone to fill the place. When you visit that place next time, they will remember you and that's how you get the job. In Mumbai film industry, your resume has no importance. So what is important is that people recognize you. Make yourself a brand. People should know you. You have to sell yourself. Think about Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan sells himself. He's called the number one brand, but who calls him the number one brand? Who calls him the King Khan? Who calls him the number one? He called himself number one, he called himself King Khan, and that's how the press started promoting it. So you have to think of yourself as a brand. You don't have any content. Your content is you. Your talent is you. So you have to think of yourself as a package. Think of yourself as a mobile phone. Now suppose you have to sell a mobile phone. What you need to say to sell that mobile phone? Always think in terms of what you can offer others. If you meet someone who is the celebrity, if you meet someone who is higher in designation than you, you have to offer them something. Now you will ask me that if you have to meet Amitabh Bachchan, what possibly you can offer them? They have everything. They have money, they are famous, they are everything. Similarly, if you want to meet Shah Rukh Khan, they have everything. They have money, they are famous, and there doesn't seem to be anything that they are in need. But if you look clearly, you will always find something that you can offer them. think that Shah Rukh Khan is a very good reader. If you ask Shah Rukh Khan to meet that, if you ask Shah Rukh Khan that I want to meet you just because you're a very good reader, I want to talk to you about reading books, Shah Rukh Khan would be interested, because no one is interested in knowing him as a voracious reader. So you can meet him. Similarly, you can always go to a production house and think in terms of what you can offer them. It's a service industry. You have to give them service, and that's how you are going to get the money. Don't panic if you don't have enough knowledge. Don't panic if you don't have enough education. Don't panic if you don't have enough experience. It doesn't count. What counts here is how you use whatever you have. Don't think about the things that you don't have. Think about the things what you have and use them wisely to assemble them together to make a content of yourself. So my advice to you is, when you are visiting anyone in Mumbai film industry, always be motivated. Think of yourself as someone who can do anything he can, and make yourself and portray yourself as a brand. Thank you.